Because we see. Yeah, I'm here at Abu Dhabi UAE. We have a lot of camera here, you know. Come and enjoy with the camera at Abu Dhabi UAE. Yala!
Takot ka naman, patakagatin ka niyan.
I'm scared to the camera, you know. Because
Oh.
if he bite me, we get some hurt, you know. Yan yung Dali. Oh. Picturean mo nga ako ng kwan. Ano? Dali. Bayon. Paano mo ko? Take a video. Dali. Video mo. Good. We have a lot of camels here in Abu Dhabi, you know. It's a good friend. Oh, you got it. Take a camel, eat some pepper, you know, in the cartoons. Oh, I'm nervous. Good. We have a lot of camels here, you know. Oh, what a person is going on. It's a good friend of mine. Oh, you should eat some kind of pepper. Pepper. You want a picture? No, this is a video, not a picture, you know. You take one picture from a rail can. Eh, video to eh.
Video na nga eh.
Video. Dennis. Okay. Bro, video bro. Bro, video. This is a video here in Abu Dhabi, UAE. What a pack that is going on.
This is Junab
That's going on. It's a kind of sisig.
from UAE, Junab.
Yun na, pakita mo mukha mo.
Help! Pogi.
Pakita
natin, oh. Ayan, oh.
Rebombo, lampan nyo. Sa galong nyo.
Oh, may sundalo.
Oh, stop.